Today, I'm going to teach you how to sync WooCommerce and Square. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to manage your inventory, orders, and payments seamlessly between both platforms, saving you time and reducing manual data entry. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to WordPress.com. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be installing the necessary plugin to bridge the connection between WooCommerce and Square. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll need to click on Plugins. This will expand a set of additional options for you to choose from. From these expanded options, click on Add Plugin. This is where you'll be able to browse and install new functionality for your WooCommerce store. You'll now find yourself on the Plugins page, which displays all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. This library is quite extensive, so to make things easier, locate the search bar at the top of the page. In this search bar, type in Square and hit Enter. From the search results that appear, look specifically for the plugin called WooCommerce Square. This is the official plugin that will handle the synchronization between your WooCommerce store and your Square account. Before installing, it's always a good idea to understand what you're adding to your site. Click on More Details to view the overview of this plugin. Here you'll see a description of its features and functions, including how it syncs inventory, processes payments, and manages product data between both platforms. Take a moment to review this information to ensure it meets your needs. Once you're ready to proceed, click on Install Now. Keep in mind that the installation process might take a little while depending on your internet connection and server speed, so be patient and let it complete. You'll see a progress indicator on the screen. Once the installation is fully finished, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your WooCommerce store. After activation, your page will refresh automatically, bringing you back to your WordPress dashboard. Now click on WooCommerce from the left navigation menu. Once you do this, you'll notice a new option has been added called Square Onboarding. This is the gateway to connecting your two accounts. From here, the process becomes pretty straightforward. Click on Connect with Square and you'll be prompted to log into your Square account. Simply enter your Square credentials to authenticate and authorize the connection. This step is essential as it allows WooCommerce to securely access and sync your Square data, including products, inventory levels, and transaction information. And that's it. You've successfully synced your WooCommerce and Square accounts, which means you can now manage your online and in-person sales from one unified system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.